Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making mashed potatoes with carrots. So I do have about 2.5 carrots and 3 medium-sized potatoes. These carrots are peeled and I am cutting them smaller than I would for the potatoes just because it takes longer for the carrots to boil. I already have my water boiling and I'm putting in my potatoes and my carrots in here. And I'm using this just so that I don't burn myself. So after boiling the potatoes and the carrots, I did strain out the water from here, and this is what it looks like, and it's still hot, so you do want to work quickly with this. And I am using my KitchenAid because I want to make it a lot more creamier. So with this, I'm smashing it, mashing it, and then you want to keep going like so. While this is going, I have my 1/4 cup of milk, and you want to make sure that it is at a room temperature. And then I have about 2 cloves of garlic, and about 1 tablespoon of room temperature butter. So the reason why we're doing the room temperatures is so we're not messing with the temperature of the potatoes and the carrots. And this is my final product of my mashed potato and carrots. It turned out really creamy, and of course for the carrots you can always just keep boiling it a little bit more if you like to just get that nice creamy texture. But this is it for my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and thank you for watching.